I am content with winter and with summer, with cold and with heat. And I love snow as much as flowers, and a worthy dead man more than an evil living one. For thus youth and worth keep me strong and gay. And because I love a new lady, most graceful and most beautiful, roses seem to me among ice and clear weather with a troubled sky. For in her rich lordship, slanderers cannot make her cause. For sense and worth led her, and when she answers or calls, her words have the taste of honey, from which she seems Saint Gabriel. And she makes herself feared more than a griffin by the villainous courtiers. And to the true knowers she has solace so agreeable, that at parting each swears and pledges that she is a lady of the best. Therefore she draws me and makes me melee, and draws my heart from under my armpit, from which she has me loyal and faithful, and more just than God had able. Her friends rich and risen, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, and cheek, white breast with firm nipple, of the cut of the sons of Israel. And she is a dove without gall. Therefore she keeps me sad and pensive, as much as I am elsewhere. Then joy and sweetness grow in me when I am near her beautiful body. For as from a warm heart now warmth comes to me, now cold. And because she is gay and lively, and a maiden of all evil qualities, I love her more by Saint Raphael than Jacob loved Rachel. In France and in Berry and at Poitiers and at Tours, our Lord seeks help for the Turks who hold him outlawed, who have taken from him the vessel and the river where he cleansed sinners. And whoever does not now rouse himself against this frigid people resembles Daniel badly, who destroyed the dragon and belt. Toward Montolieu, and speak for me to the three sisters, for their love pleases me so much that I write them in my heart. I humble myself to all three, and make them ladies and lords. And I would prefer from Castile one little young lady than a camel loaded with gold, King Province calls to you, and Sancho unlocks it for you, and wastes your wax and honey for you, and sends you the gall here by the apostle whom one calls Saint James of Compostela. In Lucia there is such a Michael, who is worth more to me than the one from heaven.